Nothing says style like changing out your kitchen faucet. All that time spent on Amazon during quarantine finally caught up to you. Today, we're changing this out. It halfway works, this drips just a little bit, and we're using this new fancy brushed nickel faucet. Okay, I'm losing screws. So what's cool about this one is that, well, there's a weight that goes on here, and you can take this and spray it, and once you're done, it's gonna go back up. You can mount this valve any way you want. You can have it facing you, or you can have it off to the side, which is what we're gonna do today. Let's go ahead and get to it. First, we need to relieve the pressure. Turn these off, just like that. And then go up to the sink. Next step is to take these hoses off. They'll leak a little on you, it's okay. So when you get this is the bottom screw. This is the bottom nut that goes on here. Just screws on in, and then once you get it nice and snug, you would then tighten up these Phillips heads. Of course, you would have your washer on it. So before you do anything, you need to double check that this is the right length. This is the hot, and I just checked and it's not, so we have to go to the hardware store and pick up another one. All right, so I just got back from the hardware store, and they have never seen this. Some kind of fancy, weird connector. But what I did find, and this was the shortest one, was a 20-inch long 3/8 adapter. So this has a compression fitting on it, and this will fit to here. So here's the thing, these two were $14, so our $40 faucet is now $54 with this crazy long thing. So let's get this set up and going. Okay, we've got it all set with our 25-foot hose over here. Let's get it in there. So I had to switch the hose around to get the hot water to turn on from here. It's like a guessing game, but everything is working nicely. This is kind of, you know, not premium, but it's a $40 sink plus the 14 for the hoses, or you can pay a couple of $100 for the big name brand ones. So hopefully this will work. It had a lot of good reviews online. Oh geez. This. Thanks for watching.